Regarding the perfect murder, does the perfect murder exist? I am Professor Ryan Blumenthal, forensic pathologist, and this is Lessons for the Living from the Autopsy Table. There are two basic rules in the field of forensics. Assume that murderers are cleverer than you, and assume that they know all the methods. Once upon a time, I had a case that nearly fooled me. It was an adult male that was found dead in the bushveld. We x-rayed this person's body with all the clothes on, and in his right pocket were keys and coins. Nothing else on the body or inside the body. So we started the autopsy, and when we opened the abdomen, there was about 1.5 liters of blood. So the protocol is to look where the bleeding comes from. I went through that abdomen militaristically. There was no origin for that blood. I looked for peptic ulcers and duodenal ulcers. I looked for mesenterial bleeds. There was nothing. I then take the body back for x-ray, and in the right hip I found a bullet. This bullet fooled us because we originally thought it was a coin. What had happened was he had been shot through the pubic region, through the inguinal region, and the bullet ended up lodged in the hip. The reason why I missed this is because the bullet went through the artery, the inguinal region, where we separate the abdominal organs. That is exactly where the bullet went through, which was missed. And what was fascinating is the gunshot entrance wound was in the pubic hair, and it was a small caliber weapon, and this was the subtlest of gunshot entrance wounds I've ever seen in my life. Regarding the perfect murder, does the perfect murder exist? Over the years, I've consulted the most brilliant minds on this matter. It amazes me how seriously people have thought about this. The answers often astound me. I've heard some truly far-fetched suggestions, from shooting people with ice bullets to using strange types of poisoning agents. The bottom line is that many of these methods will leave some or other trace evidence. People have often shared far-fetched ideas with me of how to dispose of a body, which includes dissolving bodies in strong acid and disposing of them on pig farms. It will certainly be impossible to perform an autopsy with no body, and would complicate things for us forensic pathologists. In conclusion, we do not want to miss a murder case. We have a very high threshold of suspicion for murder cases. Subscribe for greater insights into humanity. Lessons for the Living from the Autopsy Table.
Voila.